If you are a Python user, you may be familiar with the module called windowsapps. But had you known that the same type of module is available in JavaScript too? Let's see. Let me copy the installation command. Now, as we go through the documentation, we see that it says it can perform the same operations as that of the Windows Apps Python module. Let us go through some of the functions the module provides. Primarily, it has getApps function. As we read, we see that this function returns the name and app ID of all the installed applications. Secondarily, it has findApps function. As we read, we see that this function returns the name and app ID of the application we have searched. It returns the application not found if it fails to find the application. Finally, it has OpenApp function. As we read, we see that this function tries to start the application we have searched. This function also returns the application not found if it fails to find and start the application. This module is supported by Windows operating system only and completely works fine with Windows 10. If you want to support the developer, you can mail your feedback or pay a fraction of Bitcoin to the mentioned Bitcoin address. Please subscribe to the mentioned YouTube channel. Now let us start with the tutorial. Open the command prompt and create a new directory. In my case, it will be Today Tutorial. Navigate to the directory just created. Let's initialize it with npm. I will be going with default settings. Let's open the IDE with the current directory. Let's install the module. As you can see, the module has been installed successfully. Now let's create index.js file. Let's import the required functions from the module. First, let's check out getApps function. Let us print the output that it returns. Now let's run and check it out. Let me maximize the size of the console. As you can see, it has definitely listed out all the applications that are installed on my PC. Now let us check out with Find App function. Let me pass the app name to be settings. As you can see, it has listed out the name and app ID of the searched application. Now, let's check with the Open App function. I am going with the same parameter, settings. It returns that it was successful in starting the settings application and it has indeed opened the settings app, but I am unable to capture multiple windows with this software. Sorry for that. Now let's see some examples for application not found.